It's Aussie Treehouse!
Hey Bingo, can I go play some blocks with you?
Yeah, come play, Bluey.
Are we making a tower? I love towers. I like to make them tall. Okay, your turn, Bingo.
I'm gonna build a high to the sky.
Hey Bingo, hey Bluey, great tower. Hey, we're going to have to learn how to wash our hands today. There are lots of germs going around and they spread on our hands. So I'm going to show you how we can fight the germs.
Yeah, Dad. Fight the germs, Dad.
Yeah, let's get in, Dad. Let's fight the germs.
Okay, Bluey, mate, you sit over here, mate. And Bingo, you sit right over there. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you a really cool science experiment about how germs spread. And then once we know how they spread, we can fight the germs. Is that cool?
Yeah, let's fight them, Daddy.
Yeah, Dad. Fight the germs, Dad.
So what I've got here, guys, is some glitter and some olive oil. Now I'm going to mix these two things together. So imagine the glitter is tiny germs. So when I cough into my hand, the germs go onto my hand and everything I touch spreads the germs. See, just like that, by touching things and not washing my hands, I'm spreading the germs. See?
Yeah, fight the germs.
Boo germs.
Going for a ride on this, and look! Germs!
Boo germs.
Yuck germs.
I went to make this ice cream and look! Germs!
Boo germs.
Yeah, germs.
I really want to play with this piano, but look! Germs!
Yuck germs.
Boo germs.
So guys, if there's one way we can get rid of germs, it's to wash our hands really well. So let me show you. I'm going to put some soap on my hands and I'm going to rub them together and sing the happy birthday song while I wash them underwater. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday Bluey and Bingo, happy birthday to you. And then dry.
Yeah, take that germs.
Bye, germs. See you later, germs.
And if you're out in the park and you haven't got any soap and water, you can use this. Hand sanitizer. Put it on your hands and then count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All dry and ready to go. And once you've washed your hands, you can clean all your toys that you've touched with all your germs. So just grab yourself an antibacterial wipe and wipe down all those germs.
Bye, germs.
Take that, Germs.
Bye, germs.
Take that, Germs.
Bye, germs.
And after you've cleaned your toys, wash your hands again.
But here, I've washed my hands.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Bingo. Happy birthday to you. Whoo! I did it!
And now it's time to floss, guys.